Grabe naman yun. Ngunit paano nga ba ang... Paano ba to? Paano ba dito? Try natin. O, di ba? Huy! Hindi mabubudol tayo dito. Mabubudol tayo dito. Guys, pa-share naman ako ng ng Facebook, Facebook live natin. Isabel, pa-share tayo ng lives, ng Facebook live. Yan. Lapit ako ng konti dito kasi nga medyo nakikita yung chan ko. Huy! Grabe naman yan. Hello po sa inyo guys, 10 viewers po natin and 11 viewers po natin. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Okay lang po ba yung sound sa inyo? Kantayin natin itong. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Hello Meets, shout out. Uy, ayun. Hello Annalisa, shout out. Rizel, kumusta? Kumusta Crizel? Ano yun? Lyle, shout out. Shout out from Kuwait, shout out po, hello po. Yun, nagsusum pala eh. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Uy, walang ganun. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long, for all I worship and adore. Then, in other words, Aryan Himog, sarap. Please be true. In other words, I love yo. Uy. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Tita Kim, shout out. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long, for all I worship and adore. Jobay, shout out. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Hello, Glyza Jane. Hello, shout out. Tita Kim, shout out. Kyra, shout out. Kyra, ano? Ay, Sam, i-chat mo na yung chat mo. Bilis. Naka-open naman yung Facebook ko dito sa ano. Sa ano. Dito. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long, for all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, in other words, in other words, I love you. Kailan balik mo bataan? Matagal-tagal pa siguro, hindi, wala pa akong exact ano eh. Baka mga Christmas ganun. Christmas New Year. Babylin Herrera, shoutout. Lento Sigma ako, hindi pa tayo mata.
Intensang buhay? Gaano siya kayang? 28? 32? 50?
Liwanag ng live ko ngayon. Bumili
Dahil
kasi ako
sa
ng
aging hair ko,
Use new Hana with Collagen Plus that keeps hair
Live nakanta ko na kanina sa TikTok. This song is through the fire by Nina. In the version of Gigi Dalang. Christine Di Cañete. I look in your eyes and I can see with love so dangerously. You're not trusting your heart to anyone. You told me you're gonna play it smart. We're through before we start, but I believe that we've only just begun. When it is good, there's no sin. I want you so I'm ready to go. Through the fire, to the limit, to the wall. For a chance to be with you, I better risk it all. To the fire, to whatever come what may. For a chance to love with you, I'll take it all the way, right down to the wire, even to the fire. I know you're afraid of how to feel. You still need time to heal, and I can help if you only let me try. You touch me and something in me know what I could have with you. Well, I'm not ready to kiss the dream goodbye. When it is sweet, there's no saying no. I need you so I'm ready to go. To the fire, to the limit, to the wall. For a chance to be with you, I'd rather risk it all. To the fire, to whatever come what may. For a chance at loving you, I'll take it all the way, right down to the wire, even to the fire. hands of time. To the fire, to the limit, to the wire. For a chance to be with you, I've let the risk it all. To the fire, to whatever come what may. For a chance at loving you, I'll take it all the way, right down to the wire, even to the fire. Sige, try natin ito. Ooh, to the fire. Kititaan ako. Yung Ben, hindi ko na kinakanta kasi pataas masyado sa akin. Pambata kasi yung kanta na yun. Thank you so much po. Pero we'll try.
Help boost your immunity with 200% vitamin
Samson,
C.
shut up.
New Minute Maid Nutri Plus.
Grab every day before acne starts.
Tokipa,
Aid for oily skin.
Katshela, shout out. I'll try to sing this song. Then the two of us need look no more. We both found what we were looking for. With a friend to call my own, I'll never be alone. And you, my friend, will see you've got a friend in me. Then you're always running here and then. Good night, Jen. You feel you're not wanted anywhere. If you ever look behind and don't like what you find, there's something you should know. You've got a place to go. I used to say I am me. Now it's us. Now it's we. Try po natin yung home mamaya. Then most people would turn you away. I don't listen to a word they say. Daisy Pagiwan. They don't see you like I do. I wish they would try to. I'm sure they think again if they had a friend like me. Like them, like them. Taga-Tarlac po ako, guys. Taga-Tarlac. Total eclipse of the heart. Hello po, Ed Simon. Shoutout po. Gonna take it by myself. Milky. Sige, gatay natin yun mamaya mo.
Mas mabilis sa Lazada. Fast and free.
Charot, Linguel.
Mabilis na sa chika at talim.
Sige, try natin yan, Giselle, mamaya. Samson, yung uhaw.
Covers PH.
Rona. Oy, Rona, kamusta? Manotis naman Kuya Idol. Pang my day lang. Hello po Anthony Lucas. Shoutout po. Jeffrey. When I was young, I never needed anyone, and making love was just for fun. Those days are gone. Jeffrey, shout out. Living alone, I think of all the friends I've known. When I dial the telephone, nobody's home. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself anymore. Hard to be sure. Sometimes I feel so insecure. No stands and obscure remains the cure. 21 years old na po ako. Archie, shout out. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself anymore. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself anymore. Kantayin natin yung Uhaw mamaya. Next song na dito. When I was young, I never needed anyone, and making love was just for fun. Those days are gone. All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself anymore. That's pa ulit. Barbie Balotong siya lang. Ingay ko, no? Mamaya kantayin natin yung How. All by myself, don't wanna be. Oh, namula. Oo nga eh.
The new Axe Effect. Bust odor. Smell irresistible.
Mali ako ng placement. Dapat healthy placement yun eh.
Covers.
Ito na po yung Uhaw na request niyo po. Sana po magustuhan niyo po. Woo! Kilala mo Kuya Christian? Sabi ng mahalikan, mayagap at masaya sa ulan, ang mundo'y gagaan. Mundo ko'y gagaan. Maligaw man ang landas ay hahanapin ang kalsadang pagtuwa sa'yo. Ikaw daan. Dumiling man ang paligid ay ikaw pa rin ang laot ko. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Bakit buhaw sa iyong siyaw? Bakit ikaw di bibitaw sa iyong siyaw? Laging ikaw ako'y bumibinaw. Halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Narating uhaw, uhaw, uhaw. Sige po Kuya Nigel, ano po yan? Hindi na mapakali. Kumain ka po Kuya? Nagmamadali lambingin at suyuin ka. Aking giliw ako'y iyon. Gemma, kahit pa matalisod, mapagod at bumigay ang tuhod, di ako hihinto. Ikaw aking dulo. Pagkatapos ba ng kata? Mawala man ang anino ko, nandito ka, ilaw ko. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Bakit buhaw sa'yo, siyaw? Bakit ikaw di bibitaw sa'yo, siyaw? Laging ikaw ako'y giniginaw. Halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Nanatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw. Antayin natin ang kanya. Ito na yata ang hirap. Yan, sana ko na gusto niyo po iuhaw.
Cover speech.
Naglalagay ng kolorete, Tita Josie, sa aking mukha, para di nila malaman ang tunay na naganap, na ikaw at ako ay hindi na. Iniinsayo pa mga ngiti para di halata. Damdamin ko'y pinipigil, sa loob umiiyak, dahil ikaw at ako ay hindi na. At ang hirap, magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya, kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa, di ba? Paano ko sasabihin sa mga kaibigan ko kung ako rin ang sisisihin? Nabulagan ako na ikaw at ako ay wala na. At ang hirap, magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya, kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas magagawa. Bida, saan ba ko nagkamali? Di ko maintindihan. Kung sino pang nagmamahal, siya pang naiiwan. Siya pang naiiwan. At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako'y masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. Agbubukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa. Di ba? Ayun, sana nagustuhan mo, Kuya Nigel? Sana nagustuhan niyo po? Pasok pa na ulit ko yan. Uy, ang bilis naman kasi ng break time. Malay mo, di ba abutan mo pa ako? Meron pa, malay mo naman. Katayin natin Let Me Be the One. Requested by Kuya Gio.
Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated.
Katayin natin to. Let Me Be the One. Pero in the version of Arthur and Harry. Okay lang ba?
Cheese whiz!
Wala lang kuya, gusto ko lang ulit mag-live dito. Kasi gusto ko lang din ma-encounter yung mga family ko dito sa Facebook. Hindi kasi sila nakakapag-TikTok. And yung iba kasi hindi makapanood din ng live kasi iba nakaload lang din sa sa Facebook ganyan, di ba? Somebody told me you were leaving, didn't know. Somebody told me you're unhappy, but it doesn't show. Maybe you don't want to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find upset up where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's never become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye. Just turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this. Oh, but if you love me still, then stay. Don't keep me waiting for the final kiss. We can work together through this test, or we can work through it apart. I just need to get this off my chest, that you will always have my heart. Let me be the one. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time. And goodbye. Hoy! Grabe naman yun. Ano? Okay ba? Ano ba? Like a shooting star, I can go the distance. I don't care. Woo! Try natin to. Sandal mo sana ang ulo mo sa unahan, katawan mo ay aking kukumutan. Mga problema'y iyong limutan habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Huwag mong pigilin kung nais mapaluhan. Pakiramdam mo sana'y guminhawa. Boxer out. Kung gusto mo ay magsigarilyo muna bago tayo magkayakap sa dilim. Wow, heto na ang pinakahintay natin. Heto na tayo magkayakap sa dilim. Okay, sarap ng mga nakaw na sandali habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Halika na at sumipin na sa kama. Nasapin natin sarap ng pagsasama. Sa ating pag-ibig tayo'y umasa habang tayo'y magkayakap o magkayakap sa dilim. Yan. Yeah guys, mag-enda rin po ako ng live guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying. Maraming salamat po guys sa mga nanonood po dyan. Kaya Kuya Christian, kaya Kuya Nigel, and sa mga nagsusupport po dito. Kuya Gio, and lahat po ng nanonood dito. Thank you so much po. Bye bye guys. Abby, bye bye. Bye bye po.